Hello, everyone. Today I will be singing an art song called Do Not Go, My Love by Richard Hageman.
Stretch my